the LG V22 etc. And today I'm making a video about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy Fold 2 is now here on Verizon Prepaid, which is pretty interesting. It's available now for $19.99.99, so basically $2,000 for a prepaid phone. It's pretty insane in my opinion. So this is the Galaxy Z Fold2 5G on Verizon Prepaid. This is the first foldable phone on prepaid, so it's just pretty interesting. It's available now in two storage colors. In two colors you have Mystic Bronze and Mystic Black. 256 gigabytes of storage, and like I said, it's $19.99.99. No contract, so basically $2,000. No contract, I guess. So this is what the Galaxy Z Fold2 looks like. I'm surprised that this phone made it to prepaid. I'm surprised it did, but you know, it is what it is. You guys, so you guys have the front door open. That's what it looks like when it's open. You guys have the buying button here on the right side, right here. There it is. It being open, like kind of like tilted a little bit there. And then this is the power button right here, I guess. Think so, yeah. There's the back of the Galaxy Z Fold2. Y'all guys have three cameras in the back. Camera fire. So it looks like the Galaxy has 20 on the back. So for this has a photo bowl design, and it also has a screen on the front of it as well. So yeah, there you go. There's the hinge there with the Samsung right there. So pretty nice. There it is, being closed, and there's the front of the screen there. You guys have your screen there, hole punch for your front facing camera and your earpiece. There's the back of the Galaxy Z Fold2, three cameras, camera flash, and it's available in this Mystic Bronze or Mystic Black colored options. There's the side again. You guys have your frame keys and your power buttons right here, and this is also your fingerprint sensor as well, guys. Alright, so do keep it in mind. And there is the hinge right there. So I'm surprised that this phone made it to Verizon Prepaid. I'm surprised it did. Like, that's crazy. $2,000 for a prepaid phone. That's crazy. $2,000 for a phone. Period. It's fucking insane, dude. It's like, what the hell? But it's safe if you guys want to check it out. So the Galaxy Z Fold 2 has 12 days of standby time, 29 hours of usage time. That's when it's folded. If the phone is like open and like tablet mode, you guys will get 21 hours of usage time with it being unfolded. Three cameras in the back at 12 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera lens on the back. Your dimensions. When the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is open, it's 5.5 inches in width, and with the Galaxy Z Fold 2 closed, it's 2.68 inches width, and the height is 6.26 inches height there. So this is just crazy that the Galaxy Z Fold 2 isn't prepaid. That's crazy. But it's here, you know. So it says how you're introducing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G, a next-gen smartphone for those who want to stand out in the crowd. Get a true 2-to-1, get a true 2-in-1 experience with a pocket-friendly 6.2-inch smartphone when folded, and a 7.6 tablet when unfolded. The cover display offers edge-to-edge viewing, while the main display captivates the smooth graphics and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, which is very nice. Whether you are working on the fly or you are getting serious on the unfolded expensive display, the ergonomic design makes it comfortably and makes it comfortable in hand to no matter how you hold it. And with the revolutionary hideaway hinge and flex mode, you can snap a pic, shoot a video, or watch all your favorite content from any angle hands-free. Wireless decks, all-day battery life, and power packed features like app continuity and multi-active window maximizes productivity and level up gameplay. Experience all the Galaxy Z Fold2 5G has to offer on Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network. So this phone has a lot of features on it, a lot of features. Yeah. So for 2,000 bucks, you better get a lot of features, right? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this phone has a lot of features on it. So I'm surprised that this phone made it to prepaid. I'm surprised that it made it to prepaid. I'm surprised it did, but it's here for those of you who wants to spend $2,000 on a fucking phone. It's crazy. So it is, you have a two-in-one experience. Why settle for a phone or a tablet when you can have both? Fold it for a sleek pocket-friendly phone, or when you need more, unfold for a streamlined, seamless 7.6-inch display. The main display is outfitted with Samsung Ultra Thin glass that folds from tablet to phone effortlessly. Redefined form and cinematic brilliance. The large 6.2-inch Infinity Air-covered display is perfect for one-handed texting, responding to a quick email, and more. Flip it open to expand, the expensive 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display with adaptive 120Hz refresh rate and a hideaway hinge that protects from dust and provides a seamless display for an uninterrupted viewing area. Flex your creativity. Watch your favorite videos, snap a selfie, or record your latest vlog without a stand using flex mode. The hideaway hinge lets you explore new angles and get creative with your shots, hands and accessory free. Or for the true multitasker, use Flex UI to view apps on one half of the screen while controlling select apps on the other half. So pretty cool. So you do get a lot of features in this one. This one has a lot of features in it. Don't just multitask, hypertask. Easy transition between the cover and main displays with app continuity, or use multi-active window to drag and drop your work across 3 apps on the expensive main screen. This is the mobile workspace you've been waiting for. So if you guys have the Z Fold2 open, y'all guys have 3 apps on one screen. So that is pretty cool. From phone to desktop with decks. Cut the cord with wireless decks. When it's time to get serious, Dex lets you effortlessly and wirelessly connect to a monitor or TV, whether it's for work or play. Dex gives you the big screen advantage. This is one smart battery. The 4500 milliamp intelligent battery will fuel your phone from breakfast to bed. Power saving mode adjusts to your usage, conserving power for when you need it, and for a quick refuel. Super fast charging will have your back up and running in minutes. Share your power with a friend or charge up your Galaxy Buds, or says share your power with a friend or charge up your Galaxy Buds by simply placing them on the back of your phone. So this does a wireless power share, game-changing performance, multitask, stream, game, and more with the Galaxy Z Fold2's 5G Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, an impressive 12 gigabytes of RAM, and 256 gigabytes of internal storage. You have all the space you need for the things you love. So you get 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. There is no SD card on this phone, so if you guys are looking for expandable storage, this is not the phone for you. And of course, you do get 5G on the Galaxy Z Fold2, of course. Share more, stream in seconds, and game like never before with the power of 5G ultra wideband. Get more done with Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G and Verizon's ultra fast 5G ultra wideband network. Next gen power for next gen power for next level performance. So, yeah. So the Galaxy Z Fold2 of course has 5G. It is XLTE ready, doubling our 4G LTE bandwidth and cities coast to coast. Also, it's a real device. It works in every 200 countries, depending on what plan you guys have. So pretty cool there. It is also LTE advanced with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 days from coast to coast. 12 days of standby time, 29 hours of usage time when the Z Fold 2 is folded, or 21 hours of usage time when the Z Fold 2 is unfolded. 3 cameras on the back at 12 megapixel, ultra wide 12 megapixel, wide angle and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera on the back, 10 megapixel front facing camera. Width is 5.5 inches. Open and it's 2.68 inches folded. That's the width. The height is 6.26 inches. Depth is 0.24 to 0.27 inches. That's when it's open. When it's closed, it's 0.54 inches. And so the depth of the phone is 0.24 to 0.27 inches when the Z Fold 2 is open. When the Z Fold 2 is closed, it's 0.54 inches depth to 0.66 inches depth. There, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 weighs a hefty 9.95 ounces. So this is a hefty motherfucker here. So do keep it in mind. So this phone weighs about 10 ounces. So this one is heavy. So keep it in mind. Screen sizes. So when the Z Fold 2 is folded, you're graded with a 6.2 inch display. That's an 816 by 2260 pixel display there. That's when the phone is folded. When you guys have it in tablet mode, that's a 7.6 inch display. That's a 1768 by 2208 pixel resolution there. And it also comes with the pre-installed screen protector, which is very nice. So this you guys don't take out that screen protector. Just suggest you guys let that screen protector on the phone. Don't take it off, because you might damage it if you guys do. So, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 has 4500 mAh battery, Android 10, 256 gigabytes of internal storage, and 12 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. There is no micro SD card support, so if you're looking to get expandable storage, this is not the phone for you. This is SAR rating, hearing aid, network, 4G, processor Snapdragon 865 plus, octa-core processor. It has Bixby and it has Google Assistant, of course. Wi-Fi is 802.11, ABGN, ACAX, MIMO there, and it also has dual band Wi-Fi. It also has HD voice, which lets you experience HD voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. So pretty nice. So if you guys need help with your Galaxy Z Fold2, Verizon has you covered with that, with device support, which is a great tool. So it says that Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in the box, there's a lot of stuff that comes in the box. So you guys get the Galaxy Z Fold2 5G pre-installed. Screen protectors, which I said if you guys don't remove this. Travel adapter, data cable, which is a Type-C. Some ejection pin, pre-installed SIM card, quick start guide, featured insert, ICI brochure, and terms and conditions. I'm not sure what the feature insert is. I don't know if that's the thing that tells you what not to do on the phone, so I don't know what the feature insert is. So if you guys are seeing the unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold2, you guys will know what is in there. So yeah. So I'm surprised that the Galaxy Z Fold2 made it to prepaid. I'm surprised. This is insane. I'm not here to spend $2,000 on a prepaid phone. I don't know who would. Like, if you guys get this phone on prepaid, get insurance, because this thing's gonna cost a lot to get it fixed if it gets broke. So yeah, I'm surprised that this phone made the prepaid. I'm surprised. This is the first foldable phone on prepaid, so this is pretty interesting. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 is now on Verizon Prepaid, which is insane. It's $19.99, so basically $2,000 for a foldable phone on prepaid. No contracts, available in missing bronze or missing black. So if you guys want to get a foldable phone on prepaid, Verizon has you covered with that, but you will be paying that you will be paying a pretty penny to get this phone, of course, $2,000. So yeah, if you guys got $2,000 to spend, go for it, I guess. That's something new. So yeah, there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G on Verizon Prepaid now available. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.